Morning, guys. Hey, this is Bill Lambeth, Champion Windshield Repair, Birmingham, Alabama. Just wanted to drop a little line to you guys today to make you aware that all insurance companies except State Farm will waive your deductibles to fix rock chips. So what that means is no out-of-pocket cost to you. You ride around with a cracked windshield because you procrastinated, you didn't get that rock chip fixed, and then it leads to a long crack. Looks pretty crappy in your windshield. Why not call us and let us help you out with that rock chip? And I get sometimes a rock hits and it runs right away and then you have to replace the windshield, but most of the time that's not the case. You get a rock chip, you procrastinate, you say, well, oh, it's just a little bitty rock chip, it's not gonna hurt a thing, it's just gonna, it'll be okay. Well, it won't be okay. Eventually it will spread and then you will need a windshield. Rock chip is like being pregnant. Either you are or you not. Small or big, it can spread. So, give me a call, 205-515-5951, and hey, call me today. We'll get you in this afternoon and we'll handle the insurance for you. You will have to make the call, but we're a preferred vendor. They will tell you that we are good and they stand behind our work, and they would rather you use us than a guy out here on the side of the road doing a $20 repair that has no insurance or nothing at all. So again, this is Bill with Champion Windshield Repair. Give me a call. You have a great day, guys.